In every software team today, a huge amount of development time goes into fixing old code. Studies show that developers spend 25 to 50% of their time on debugging and refactoring. And as projects grow, this cost multiplies. Small issues like unused imports, inconsistent naming, or duplicated logic don't seem harmful at first, but over time they accumulate into technical debt that slows delivery, increases bugs, and makes innovation harder. The truth is, manual refactoring is necessary, but it's repetitive, slow, and it pulls developers away from meaningful work. That's why automation is no longer just helpful, it's essential. Therefore, introducing CodeSculptor. CodeSculptor solves this by automating the entire code quality improvement cycle. It fetches issues, refactors code, updates files, and even commits changes, turning hours of cleanup into a continuous, effortless workflow. Developers can now focus on building while our system handles the hygiene. Now let's look at the architecture. The system is driven by a sequential agent pipeline. The sequential agent coordinates the entire workflow analysis, refactoring, and code updates. It acts as the central controller. It triggers the Sonar Issue Analyzer agent first, then hands over the results to the refactoring agent, ensuring a smooth, ordered execution pipeline. The Sonar Issue Analyzer agent is responsible for identifying problems in the code base using SonarQube. It works with Sonar tools. Fetch Sonar issue retrieves all detected bugs, vulnerabilities, and code smells. Sonar project exists, checks if the project is already mapped in Sonar, and Sonar init initializes the project if needed. This agent strictly focuses on analysis and gathering actionable issue data. The refactoring agent. The refactoring agent takes the issues identified earlier and performs real code modifications. It uses two toolsets, file tools and Git tools. Read file loads source files. Extract code context identifies the exact part of code that needs modifications. And write files writes the improved refactored code back into the repository. Create workspace sets up a safe working directory. Git clone repository clones the target repo in your local device. Create feature branch ensures all changes happen in an isolated branch, and commit changes commits the refactored code automatically. This combination allows the agent to safely refactor code while managing Git workflows end to end.
Hi everyone, Jaydeep this side. Yeah, we'll go through the demo now. We are using ADK web here. Okay, so I'll hit ADK web command. Okay, so this has been done. So we can open this link, localhost URL, and it will open the web interface. Now we can give the prompt as sonar token and a GitHub URL. So once we give this, the agent will get started and it fetches the issues from the sonar and is try to fix that. So if there are issues, it clones the repo as well, and it create a feature branch, and in that feature branch it writes the fixes. After writing the fixes, it gives a concise summary that what had been changed, everything in detail. So which file, which line, what's the status of this fix or not. So we'll hit yeah, this is the feature branch which has been created by the agent. Now we'll take a look on the GitHub. So if we check here, you can have a feature band that is created a second ago. That means it has been created by the agent. You can check the name as well. So I'll create on the create pull request. Once I'll create a pull request, so the code can be analyzed by the sonar. So and sonar is integrated with this project, so it automatically scans the project, and it will comment with the issues if there are. So we'll wait for that. Yeah, so it's done. The quality get passed, so we have zero issues, and zero security hotspots. Everything is zero, so there are no issues in our code now as per the sonar. Now let's check the file which has been changed, that the code which has been written by the agent. So here are the issue list. It's a contact service, and you can check the contact service as well, and here it has been error due to the exception. So we the generic exception was replaced by the specific exception, so that is done here. It has created that, and it has replaced the code as well, and it has created the exception class as well. So yeah, like that it's working fine. So if there are any other issues, it can be taken care by the agent, and later on any developer can review these changes, and we can merge these changes. Yep, that's all.